This is Dabu7 with a heads-up weather alert for much of the south, the southeast, even up through the Ohio Valley, as we are seeing severe storm systems move through these areas today. And they are alerting at this point that we should be looking out for large, independent tornadoes that can drop out of the system. They're looking at an area right around here, and you can see this is the area just northeast of where the tornado or the severe storm and flash flood warnings have been implemented here in Alabama. They're saying right here there's an 80% chance of tornadoes anywhere from EF2 to EF5 dropping out of the system. Now, there are many places, there are schools, businesses already closed in Georgia. Kids have been sent home because they are anticipating multiple tornadoes coming down out of the system. So people need to prepare if you're in the path of this. There has been hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter. That's just smaller than a baseball. That was observed in Camden, Alabama at 9 a.m. this morning. Here's some of the damage done that people are seeing as the sun has risen in their areas from this line that went through. Now you can see here from this, they've got this severe area going all the way up into the Ohio Valley. But when you want to get a beat on where the tornadoes are likely to drop, you can see here the threat for EF2 to EF5 tornadoes. It's going to be in the region here up toward Nashville, to the bottom of Kentucky, and then here from Columbus up toward Atlanta into Columbia. So the areas around Columbus all the way to Columbia, this is going to be the hot spot in the area to look for. And I have some people that I know that just so happen to be right here in this area, right in the heart of it. And their kids have already been sent home from school, and they're preparing for this system. So I just wanted to give the heads up and let folks know they are expecting some tornadoes to drop out of this system. So it's not a question of if, they're saying it's when and where. And you can see the most recent track that they took here from April 3rd when they were spinning up right through the same neck of the woods. So that's some of the latest. I hope folks out there in the pathway of this are prepared and are keeping an eye on the skies. Once again, this is going for Alabama, South Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, North Carolina, West Virginia, Virginia, and then on up into New England overnight into the early morning hours tomorrow. Now, the threat of this to the Ohio Valley is really extended into the overnight period or the dark hours this evening. So they're saying that this line is also approaching Atlanta here anytime, that somewhere around noon it should be right there. Should be right there at Atlanta. This line right here should be moving right over top of it. That is Central Time, so that would be 11:25 Eastern on this map. So that's some of the latest information there. We have a very severe and dangerous system setting up here that they're saying is going to drop tornadoes, an 80% chance in this region alone through that belt that I just showed you. So just be prepared, guys. Prayers going out to anyone out there that gets caught up in this. I will continue to update with more information as I come across it. Also, make sure to bookmark undergroundworldnews.com. A lot of exclusive content's going to be posted over there that you're not going to find anywhere else, as well as live streams and other things as we look to switch over to there from this platform. It's been Dabu7. Peace.